brand new pet grooming trailer with all the bells and whistles on it. It is completely turnkey. Stay tuned, we're gonna power it up and show you what it's got. Hey guys, it's Lane Morgan here. I am in Douglas, Georgia on our dealership lot off of 1135 Boysville Road. I am the owner of Renown Cargo Trailers. I believe we build the best trailers in the industry, and we've got a beautiful mobile pet grooming trailer to show you today. Y'all, we got a lot to show you, so y'all just sit tight, go pop you some popcorn and get ready to watch this amazing video. But one thing I want to tell you about our trailers that separates us when it comes to this particular type of trailer in the mobile pet grooming industry is we have exclusive rights on this type of trailer. Nobody else can get their hands on these trailers except Renown Cargo. And they actually reached out and chose us because they said that we were experts when it came to this industry. So we feel grateful that they actually gave us the exclusive rights to sell these trailers, and we're pushing their product because, guys, there's a lot of knockoffs out there. You know, I saw a car a couple days ago in Washington. I thought it was a Bentley. From a way off, it looked like a Bentley, and I walked up there and it was actually a Genesis. So I just want to compare that scenario or metaphor to mobile pet grooming trailers. There's a lot of knockoffs out there. There's people actually running ads saying an alternative to a Renown Cargo trailer. But guys, you don't want an alternative. You want the real authentic thing, and I believe that I will stand behind my word and say I've sold a lot of different trailers, and this is the best mobile pet grooming trailer that you can possibly find. Like I said, we're not the cheapest, but I can guarantee you we're the best. I've seen them, I've touched them, I've sold them, and there is not a trailer that meets these specs and standards out there. And we're about to go through some of that and show you the differences. But guys, this is a 7x12 mobile pet grooming trailer. It is completely turnkey. When you pick up this product from us, you don't have to do anything to it but go out and start making money. And that's what we wanted to do, was make it easy on our customers. We sell a lot of these, probably 70 to 80% of these go to women, and they don't want to have to do anything to the trailer when they get it except start grooming dogs. So that's what we did. We saw the need in the market, and we met that need, and we tried to make it easy as possible, and as far as a purchasing experience and as far as being able to go out there and immediately start grooming dogs. So there's nothing you have to do to this trailer except go to your location and start making money. So guys, a couple of things I want to show you in this trailer is we've got overhead cabinets in here. This exterior is polycore. It's not your typical aluminum that goes in base cabinets. This is a polycore exterior. It is 08 gauge. That's why it looks so pretty and lays so flat and is a thicker material. It's an 08 gauge material, and we use this on our cabinets and also on the exterior siding of the trailer. We've got a countertop up here for you. It's scratch proof, so you don't have to worry about scratching it. We've got some base cabinets down here with some drawers. One thing that's different about ours, we do have drawers. It's not your typical toolbox, and it's also mill finished on the interior of the drawers. Plenty of drawer space to store all your accessories for cutting and grooming dogs. We've got base cabinets down here, more storage space for you there, plenty of room. If you'll look at these beautiful floors, this is a laminate floor. It kind of looks like a wood flooring, but it's a laminate flooring. Looks really good in here. Another thing that is different about our trailers and other trailers is this is your electric flying pig dog grooming table. One thing that we were getting feedback from our customers, there's another table that you actually have to pump it up and down with your leg. It's a gas shock, and it scares the dogs. It's like they're on a roller coaster ride. So this is a smooth transition from going up and down, and the dogs do not even know it's moving. They're not jerking back and forth when you're letting the table up and down, and our customers have really enjoyed this new feature that we're adding to a trailer. So it's a Flying Pig electric table that lets up and down. You'll notice you hear the music in the background. So when you're grooming dogs, you probably want to turn on some music. I would if I was grooming dogs. We've got 4 speakers on the interior of this trailer, and you notice.
So I had to pay for the time. Yeah, but we talk for a while.
But guys, we've got a stereo system in here with Bluetooth as well. Right here is your clipper vac system. It's actually located in the back utility room or electrical room, if you want to call it. But this is your clipper vac system. We've got 12 volt LED lights in the ceiling. We've got a 15,000 BTU air conditioner on this thing, and it blows. It blows. It gets cold in here, so it will actually, you can hang meat in here if you wanted to.
So another thing up here in the front is we got our electrical package like all of your trailers is going to have. You're going to run electrical in them. So this right here, I always get confused on the converter or inverter, but pretty much in this electrical package, it takes that 110 energy and converts to 12 volts so you can actually power your, or charge, so to speak, your battery up front, as well as you'll see outside, and we'll talk about it a little bit more, there is also a solar panel on the roof of this trailer to help charge that. Now, right here, this is going to be your voltmeter. So your voltmeter for all of your 12 volt is just telling you how good of a life your battery's holding. 14.3 volts, which is doing good. This just reads all the voltage and everything coming off of that that's connected to your solar panel on your battery. Here you have your shop vac or your handy vac, so to clean up any dust or dirt or anything of that nature. But then at the same time, we're still also running our Flying Pig dryer here. So we have our Flying Pig dryer. And right here, this little thing, what that's going to do is that's going to be our gas water heater. So I ain't talked about that yet, but we will get to it. So we have an LP gas on-demand water heater in this thing. And this right here is going to read all your voltage and stuff, and you can adjust temperature from lower to higher, whatever you need. But this will go to our actual hot water heater back in the back that we'll show you.
And that's another thing that separates this trailer from the knockoffs. A lot of people use a 6-gallon hot water heater. Well, let me go ahead and tell you, you're going to run out of hot water grooming dogs. And you don't want your dogs freezing when you're trying to groom them. You want them to be calm, and you want them to enjoy the experience as well. So we've got an instant hot water heater. You will never run out of hot water, and that's one thing you got to have on these mobile pet grooming trailers.
Mr. Lane, what we got right here, we got a 50-inch dog grooming tub. Now, this is a Flying Pig grooming tub. Right here, it has an upgraded hardware on your actual nozzle. So some of the older nozzles kind of look like the one in your kitchen sink. It was just a little head that you hold like a gun. This is just, it has a little bit more radius to it. If you can see, you can wet your dog, right? So it's not just that little stream anymore. It's an upgraded head unit, as well as Mr. Lane seen, you seen we didn't have no power to start with. So that's our water pump. Your water pump is on this little 12-volt switch back here, if you can see it. You power that on and off. Just keeps the wear and tear off of your actual water pump when you're not washing the dog, you're grooming them. So this is a 50-inch tub. It has an easy door that you can open, as well as right here, it has a step that you can pull out just in case you have a big dog and you don't want to pick them up and put them in there. And then on the inside, as all of our tubs has always had, these trays lift up. So if you was doing a pooch instead of a German Shepherd or something, you can take this tray and you can sit it higher, so you ain't got to key your back bending down. So these trays are lift up, or you can put them down depending on the size of the dog. It is all stainless steel, so you don't have to worry about rust or anything of that nature. On the interior of this trailer, as always, we're going to finish out our interior. So you have your white metal walls, white metal ceiling, and this trailer is insulated. Like Mr. Lane said, that's a 15,000 BTU. Wouldn't do us much good if we wasn't insulated. So also on this trailer, if you'll notice on both sides, we have two 30 by 30 horizontal sliders. They are tinted, you can't really see in that good, but you can see out of them perfect. If you wanted to, they actually do open. And then you'll notice you have a screen, so you ain't got to worry about them bugs and stuff getting in. Just if you wanted to catch an airflow, one's on this side and one on that side, it'll push nice, clean air through, just in case it gets a little stuffy in here.
So guys, now we're about to step outside of the trailer and show you all the accessories and the upgrades and features on this amazing pet grooming trailer. Join us outside.
All right, you guys, so first thing you're gonna notice outside of this trailer, we just walked out the door, we got an RV step here. So for like Mr. Lane said, most of the people, 80% of the people who buy pet grooming trailers are women. That's a high step for them. So that RV step's gonna help there as well. On the outside, as you'll notice, we was talking about that 080 polycore exterior. That's that 080 polycore, fancy blue, electric blue, whatever you wanna call it. It's the bright one that we do offer.
completely screwless. You'll see no screws in the seams of this trailer, so if you want to put any decals or wrap it, it is completely screwless, and it works great when you want to put your wrap or your decals on it.
Here we have a GFI, a ground fault interrupter, so pretty much it's just a waterproof cap cover with a 110 plug. This is the outside of them 30 by 30 windows that you were seeing on the inside. They're tinted, not a bunch of sun's gonna come through there and heat up that box. We have ATP fenders on this trailer, so this is ATP fenders, and then we're also gonna run 5,200 pound axles on the pet grooming trailers. Them 35s, we started to notice that they just don't really have the axle capacity that you needed, so this trailer is upgraded with the 5,200 pound drop axle, 6-year warranty on your axles. All of our trailers, you see with our water package, we have a city fill center. City fill center, you can take and direct spout water hose in there, or you can fill up your tank. We're gonna open up the back and I'm gonna show you a little bit something different than what our other pet groomers that we used to sell. This one's got a way bigger tank in it. Instead of a 52 gallon, it has an 80 gallon water tank. So you got plenty of capacity there. Inside, we was talking about, we have an LP water heater, liquid propane water heater. So it's a direct instant water heater. It doesn't have a tank where it fills up. As soon as it touches the water heater, it's hot. This is just a control panel for it, just in case you ever have to access it and work on anything.
So this is your electrical room or your utility room. Has your fresh water, 80 gallon fresh water tank. There's your clipper vac system that we was talking about that's got your hose running to the interior of the trailer as well.
Also up here, in our back of our pet grooming, we like to put a light up top just so if you did have to work on anything, it's very visible to do so. Now there is something I do want to show you right here. So if you guys will notice, most of our pet groomers we used to do, they were just regular PEX plumbing. So these right here actually have cutoffs. So if you do have to work on something, you can actually just take and cut them off so you won't get water to them. They also have drain overflows and everything on it as well. Just a nice, neat job that they did. This is the back side of that liquid propane hot or instant water heater. So it's like I said, there's no tank for it to build up, not 6 gallon, 10 gallon or anything. It's direct heat. As soon as it touches it, that coil gets it hot. So that's really gonna come in handy for them pet grooming people.
You will never run out of hot water. That is a huge issue. You don't want to run out of hot water grooming dogs.
As you can see, it's just prettier. It's just more, you can see that polycore a little bit better, how it's laying flat. Like Lane said, it's a screwless exterior 080 polycore material, multi-polymer sheet, bunch of different kinds of plastics melted into a sheet with a thin aluminum coating. Weighs less than your thicker metals do, and at the same time, it is plastic. That heat doesn't conduct straight through that metal, so that helps again. But that's that pretty side of it, so you can actually see what that polycore looks like. Up under all of our trailers with our water packages, we're gonna have a dump valve. So this dump valve right here, this is how you're gonna actually dump your waste tank. Also, it has like a little cleaner here. You can pop a water hose on there, or if you wanted to pop a water hose just to drain that water 100 foot off, you could do that. On the front of this trailer, of course, we got this big old nice generator platform. So to do that, we have a flat front. This trailer is a flat front. It has ATP rounded front corners on it. So if you'll notice that, with a 24-inch stone guard there. Here is gonna be our motor base. So that's how we're getting power inside of our trailer. Our 110 volt power, just a twist lock cord, plug in, twist, and you got power from your from your actual generator or your actual power pole. But that's where we're gonna get to the good stuff right here. On all of these pet grooming trailers, like Lane has been saying, turnkey, turnkey. They're turnkey, right? You don't need a power pole or anything like that. We already sell it with a generator inside. So in this generator right here, it is a 6,000 watt running amp generator, which is a 7,250 watt cranking amps. So we have a generator here, but the cool thing about this generator is dual fuel, right? So you use your gas or diesel, whichever one it takes. So you use your gas, but then also you got LP, which is liquid propane. Liquid propane lasts a whole lot longer than filling this tank up every time. Now, with that being said, let me put you in this scenario. If you wanted to, you got propane you're running all the time. But then at the same time, you can fill this up. So if you run out of propane, you got a backup system. So this is where you can just check on it. If you did need a pull to start and your push button wasn't working, that's what that door's for. This door right here is to fill it up, all right? And we also got another door over here, which I like to call the control panel door. This door opens up, and then you have all of your control panels. So if you'll see in here, it has a push to start, it has your liquid propane. You can switch from your fuel source right there. So it's got gas, or you can switch to your propane, as well as it comes with a remote, right? So if you want to just start it, you can press start and she'll start on up. It's a push start, very easy to maneuver, access. Here, this one right here is going to be our 100-pound propane cage with a door. So that's what's going to power most of the, power from your generator. I was talking to the guys that produce this. They said you'd get a week and a half to 2 weeks worth of propane out of it. So that is a long time not to fill up for gas. anyways, we have a 100-pound propane tank, which is a LP, a liquid propane.
Another thing that separates this trailer from any other trailer out there is the platform that it's sitting on.
Yes.
If you'll know this is not plywood covered in ATP. This is actually a 056 steel gauge platform right here that will actually, you'll never have to worry about replacing that deck that's holding your generator. Something else, these are not your cheap electric jacks that come out of China. This is a Husky jack, 5,000 pound electric jack. Makes it easy peasy for you hooking up. If you are a woman trying to wind it up and down a jack to hook up this trailer to your vehicle, you're gonna thank me later for this nice electric jack.
It aggravates me enough, so I know it aggravates you. Of course, right here we got a 12-volt battery, right? So like I said, all that in there, that little gauge that tells you the health of your battery. This is our 12-volt battery. And what we're actually going to do is we're going to show you that solar panel as we go across. But that solar panel will power your actual battery. It's going to keep it alive, as well as when you're plugged up to 110, it's going to throw volts back into your battery as well.
If you'll check out the paint job on this frame, this is a true undercoating on this frame as well.
Pretty and slick, so it don't look all bubbly and stuff like you may have seen. That's nice and slick. It's going to last a long time. Of course, with your little laps, so you can put them back so they're not in the dirt and mud. You have to worry about getting your hands off with them.
So guys, again, my name is Lane Morgan, the owner of Renown Cargo Trailers. We want to thank you guys for watching our videos. And this is the Rolls Royce, if you will, of mobile pet grooming trailers. At Renown Cargo Trailers, we've always tried to be innovative and creative when we come to building our trailers. We don't like cutting corners. We want to build you the best possible product that we can, and we want you leaving here happy. One thing that's great about us that separates us is our warranty as well. If you ever have an issue, you give us a call and we will actually do have a warranty. I call a lot of these places around here, they've got that right blinker warranty. You turn out the parking lot, you hit that right blinker, and then they forget you exist. We're not going to do that at Renown Cargo Trailers. We're going to stand behind our product. We believe in our product, and we believe we have the best mobile pet grooming trailer out there in the industry. Guys, we're easy to find on the web. You can find us at renowncargotrailers.com. We're on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, wherever. Laura does an amazing job marketing our brand, and we just want to thank you guys for the opportunity to earn your business. You can give us a call at 1-888-287-3954. And guys, we can't wait to put you in a mobile pet grooming trailer or any kind of trailer. If it's got to do with a trailer, we always said if you can dream it, we can build it. Guys, we look forward to talking to you soon. And one thing we do here at Renown Cargo Trailers, when we got in this business, it was never about a trailer. It was always to build a platform to share the gospel. We want you to know that Jesus loves you. I collided with his love about 13 years ago. It changed my life forever, and if he'll do it to me, he'll do it for you. Guys, we look forward to talking to you soon, and y'all know the rest.
Until then,
be blessed.